Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today's video is going to be a Poundland haul. So I've popped into Poundland and I've picked up a mixed bag of items as per usual. So what have I got? I've got homeware, I've got some stationery, I've got some party items, and I've also got some items for Halloween. Yes, not so much for Halloween, but yes, I've got some to show you. So if you'd like to see what I picked up in Poundland, please keep watching. I'm going to start with the food items. So I've got them right in front of me here. Quite tempting actually. This is one of Poundland's healthy snacks. Skinny Whips. Strawberry Skinny Whips. Now if you haven't heard about Skinny Whips, guys, you need to get involved because these are so delicious. Also, there's less than 99 calories in each bar, which makes them even more delicious. So you get 5 delicious bars in each pack, and these are just £1. So I've got those. Next, these are raspberry and coconut ruffles. And I don't know if you can see the picture just there of what they look like. So if you are a fan of coconut, this is very similar to Bounty. It's actually got the raspberry in there, and these are just so delicious. So I've got those. Okay, so jumping back to some healthy items, I also picked up a pack of apricots. I absolutely love these. These are the Whitworth ones, which Poundland do a whole range of healthy option little snacks. So you get 140 grams for £1. So I've got those. Okay, so next up I picked up these cheese savouries. Got these for Oakley, you know, when we're out and about and he's on his scooter. You can just have a little snack, you know, and you get 325 grams in this. All of this. Okay, so Poundland have some amazing party wear and giftware items like gift bags and tissue paper. You know, there's always birthdays and celebrations. So I picked up these 2 cards. This one, it says happy birthday on it. It's got like a balloon on it. And this one says have an awesome birthday. And it's got this glittery gift box in the middle there as well. And I don't know if you know, but Poundland cards are 2 for £1. So I've got those 2. Okay, so I picked up this DIY garland set. Absolutely amazing value for £1. So you get this, you get the words that go across that says happy birthday. And then you've got like this little bit in the middle, which is like a little gift box. And also comes with some numbers as well, so you can actually personalise it in the middle there to whatever birthday it is, you know. I thought it was a really good idea. I picked it up in silver and I also picked it up in the rose gold colour as well. Also what I picked up, they had another garland that says party time. Okay, so this one is all attached already. So you got party time going across there like that. This was also £1. I also picked up this star garland. Might just open it and show it to you. You've got all those stars there, and this was also £1, and it's 3 meters long. So I've got okay, so from the Pep & Co range I picked up this photo frame. This holds a 6x4 photo, and I just like the design on it. Actually, I'm going to open this as well. I got this, and this was actually £2 in the Pep & Co range. They had these lovely tea light candle holders, really nice. These are just £1, so I thought I'd just pick one of these up. I actually saw on Michelle Osgood's Poundland haul recently that she had picked up a soap dispenser that actually matches this. Poundland did have the soap dispensers, but I've got so many soap dispensers. But I thought this was quite nice, you know, I just like the actual texture in it as well. Going round, I love that. Also what I picked up, this is quite new for Poundland. I haven't actually seen these in there before. This is an unscented ball-shaped candle. It burns for 32 hours, so I'm probably not going to burn it. I just thought I'd get it for display purposes, so I've got that. Okay, so next up I picked up these 2 books, and I've got these 2 books to do a DIY with. So I've got those. Next I picked up this mat in the homeware section, and I'm not sure actually what I'm actually going to use it for, but it's double-sided. One side has got this green colour and this side has got this lovely grey colour. I thought I could use it to do a DIY with it, or I'm just going to pull it in my downstairs cloakroom to put our shoes on when we come in, you know, from outside. So yeah, and this was just £1. So next up I'm going to show you some cleaning products that I picked up. There's not that many, just 2 actually, because I'm really cutting down on my cleaning products. Picked up one of these bathroom fresheners by Febreze. This is the Blossom and Breeze one. Really nice scents. I got that. I've actually got one of these in my hallway downstairs. As you come through the door, you get that whole scent of Blossom Breeze. Really nice scent. Love that. Okay, so next I picked up some Sephora. You know, you can't go wrong with Sephora. All the wiping down and disinfecting that we've been doing, you know, but this is a new one by Sephora. That's why I actually picked it up, to be fair with you. Limited edition, and this is the rhubarb and bergamot. I actually love the scent of rhubarb, and I love bergamot as well. Like, you know, that Earl Grey tea kind of smell. So let me just give this. It smells really nice, really nice. So yeah, can't wait to get cleaning with this. So I've got that. I don't know if this comes under a cleaning wear, but I'm going to show you these anyway. I picked up some press and seal food and freezer bags. You get 30 large bags for £1. So I've got. Okay, so next I picked up a set of these hemp exfoliating scrubs. So you get like a set of 3 in there. Just take them apart. So you've got the mitten. You've got this round one here, and this softer one, which is for your face. So a set of 3 of those for £1. You can't go wrong. I'm thinking about making up some gift sets, so this will actually go inside the gift set with some lovely products. So I've got that. Also picked up a set of 2 shower hats. Now I'm just going to show you the designs. This one is just like a pink stripy one. Then you got this one, which is a leaf design one. So I wish there was actually a pack of 2 of these ones, but hey, it's just to cover your hair while you're in the shower. So I got those, and those were 2 for £1. Okay, so these are not new to Poundland, but they're new to me. When I go in Poundland, I always see this, and I'm quite intrigued to try them. I've seen some really good reviews on these. So this is Poundland's number 6 range of skincare products. So I picked up the anti-aging eye cream. I also got the anti-aging Duma serum as well. And I also got the anti-aging collagen eye patches as well. So I thought I'd give those a try. They're £1 each. Next I picked up some face masks. These are the washable ones. So you've got 3 designs in there, which I absolutely love these designs. So you got this leopard print one, you got this plain black one, and then you got this nude kind of colour one as well. These are £5 for a set of 3. They're 100% cotton, and I much prefer these ones than using the blue surgical ones, you know. But I got a pack of 3 of those. Lovely designs, like I said. £5, you can't go wrong for 3 of them. So I'm going to show you a couple of stationery bits that I picked up now. Okay, so I got myself a diary for 2021. And yeah, it's just it's slightly different inside actually. So every month you start the week, and you can write the name of the number of the week up there. You've got a side up. This side here is for notes. And then you got like the next month at a glance as well. It's more of a journal kind of diary. You know, the whole Mrs. Hinch thing I think has gone sort of through the roof. And, you know, Poundland and certain stores are picking up on that. So they're kind of, yeah, they're kind of making it a little bit like that, I would say. But I also picked up some document envelopes, for A4 size document envelopes. You get a set of 3 in this packet here. So you get 3 different designs. Oh, you actually get 4 different designs. So you get this one here, and you get the polka dot one as well, plain white one, and then a black one as well. Yeah, so a pack of 4 of these for £1. Definitely can't go wrong. It's amazing value. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the Halloween items. So I'm not sure if this one is Halloween or just homeware, but this smells absolutely gorgeous. This is the Orange Punch tea light candles. They smell so nice. They got that spice orange scent to them. That spice orange pumpkin kind of scent to them, I would say. So I would say these are quite autumnal, Halloween-y. So I got those. Then I picked up 2 pumpkins. These are the glitter ones that they had last year as well. It's got the little light inside. They light up like that. Both of them. So I've got the silver one and I've got the black one. So I'm going to be doing the DIYs with these as well. Last year I did some autumnal DIYs. I'll put the link up here for you to have a look at that video, to get some ideas for DIYing Poundland items on a budget for autumn. I also picked up this pom-pom garland. You get the black, orange and white pom-poms in there to make up this garland. Like so. And this was just £1. I also picked up this gorgeous masquerade mask, really nice. I also got this. This is a spooky veil. You got the hairband with the roses in there and the black veil. So I got that. This was, all of these Halloween items were £1. And then I don't know where the tag has gone for this one, but I picked up this as well. some bat wings and some ears. What else did I get? I also picked up this mask here for little Oakley. You know, he absolutely loves it. He's actually worn it already. So I got that to make up part of his costume for this year. And this was also £1. Amazing. Okay, so the next items, I've got a bit of a funny story to say about them because my friend actually lives in Kent. I live in London. And basically, you know, like all the Poundlands have different stock. So she was actually in her local Poundland down in Kent. And she called me to see if I needed anything. So I said, I'm looking for the glass pumpkins. You know those beautiful glass pumpkins that Poundland have brought out this year? I'm looking for them everywhere. And my local stores don't have them. So she actually went into her local store in Kent to see if she can find them. And unfortunately, she didn't find the glass ones, but she found these. So it's funny because we were doing like a video call and I was like, yeah, get those, get those, get those. She was like a bit of a personal shopper for me. So thank you so much, Dorothy, for getting these for me. So let me show you what they are. I've got these beautiful little pumpkins, ceramic they are. So you've got this polka dot one, you've got this one that says, hey pumpkin, and this black and white stripe one. So I know I said I was going to do a DIY on the other ones, but I might even have to do that this year because these are just so, whoops, so beautiful. Definitely not going to be doing a DIY on these, maybe on the glitter ones that I showed you before, but these are just so gorgeous and I absolutely love them. They're like those collector pieces that you can just take out every year, you know, to decorate your house with. And I'm just gonna, sorry, I don't wanna smash them or anything. She actually picked up 2 sets of these for me, so I'm just gonna decorate the house with them, just dot them around the house. And look at them, they're just absolutely beautiful. £1 each, guys. So that's those. And thank you so much, Dorothy, for getting those for me. I'm so chuffed with them. Can't believe that these are actually from Poundland. So thank you. If you are doing Halloween this year, it is worth popping into Poundland and just having a look because they've got some amazing Halloween costume ideas and makeup and stuff all for £1. You know, you really can't go wrong. Okay, so next up for Halloween, I picked up this tea light holder, which is in form of a cat. So I got that. And then I actually picked this one up, which is a ghost one. So we got that. And then I've got these creepy spider. Oakley absolutely loves spiders, and this spider that he picked up in Poundland is just, it's scary because I don't like spiders, you know, but he likes spiders. So he managed to find the biggest spider that they had on the shelf, which I'm going to show you it right now. Okay, so this is the spider, guys. Ooh. Oakley absolutely loves spiders, so he chose this himself. So this was also £1 in Poundland, and just to give you the idea of the size of it, it's as big as my face, so really can't go wrong with Poundland, you know, this year for Halloween item. Okay, so the next item that I picked up, this is actually to make up a costume of some sort. They had them in there. I've never actually seen these in Poundland before during the Halloween, you know, in the Halloween decorations. They have these brilliant tights, and look how good these are. You know, they're skeleton tights, you know, so I thought I'd get these to make up a costume of some sort, maybe for myself or for Oakley. Got those, and these are also £1. Okay, so the last item is this Drive Tidy backseat organizer. So it looks like that. You put it on the back of the passenger seat in the car, and it's got these pockets in there. So you can put your tablet in there, you can have a bottle of juice in there, a bottle of water, some snacks in there. And we are in need of one of these, to be fair with you, because we haven't got anything in the car for Oakley at the moment. You know, when we're going out, he tends to have everything on his lap, in his car seat, and on the side of him. And now that I've got this, I can just, he doesn't actually have a tablet, but you can use this to put like some of his toys in there, and he can reach them easily while we're driving. So I thought this was a brilliant idea. And yeah, it's quite nifty and something that we actually need. Okay, so that's the end of my Poundland haul, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified of when I post my new videos. And I shall see you on the next one. So take care, keep well. Bye.